This is the 6th video of 6, so I've taken this, basically I've been making an answer key and talking about it. So here's the last one that I thought was important. And so I'm going to come draw, figure not to scale, I don't really even care. Little a is 10, little b is 11, little c is 12. And so notice this is side angle, I lied, this is side, side, side. And so the only thing that we can do at this point is the law of cosine. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the formula for cosine that we manipulate a little bit, which is cosine of c equals a squared plus b squared minus c squared all over 2ab. And I might as well just find angle c first. So cosine of c would be equal to, my a was 10, my b was 11, minus my c value there is 12, all over 2 times a times b. I'm going to grab my calculator. I forgot my problem. Okay, so it's 10 squared plus 11 squared minus 12 squared all over 2 times 10 times 11. I can multiply that, but I didn't. Okay, so now I need the second cosine of that answer. And I find that angle C is about 69.5 degrees. And now I have a choice. Okay, so that was C, 69.5 degrees. I have a choice. I can do this exact same process but with a different angle to find that one, or I could do the law of sine. And so I can say, I can use the C that I already have and then find A or B. We haven't done too much with the law of cosine. I'm going to do the law of cosine again, but it should work out the same either way. So if I have, say I want cosine of A, it's going to be equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared. Notice those two letters are the same, all over 2BC. So cosine of A is equal to 11 squared plus our C is 12 squared minus 10 squared all over, sorry, I'm falling off the page, 2 times 11 times 12. Okay, 11 squared plus 12 squared minus 10 squared all over 2 times 11 times 12. There's that, that's great. Okay, second cosine of that answer. And I find that A is about 51.3 degrees. 51.3 degrees. And so now I can just say, well, I know my whole triangle has to add up to 180. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Okay, but I can see what I'm doing. So I typed those in. And I find that my angle B is about 59.2 degrees. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. I would encourage you to watch all 6 videos to make sure you really understand what's going on. And then practice. Practice, practice, practice. It's one thing to think, oh, I get it when Miss Kosh does it. It's another thing entirely to be able to do it yourself. So you need to practice. Have fun.